Since the beginning of times, it is believed that knowledge is power, and there can be no two opinions that power alone can lead to peace. So, in essence, it is the knowledge that leads to peace. Peace is synonym with nature. These two always coexist.
Preview.
Need we say that for a healthy living, healthy food is one of the foremost basic necessities. We at Royal Rajasthan Public School understand this, and we also possess the knowledge that better health leads the younger ones to be a winner at whatever they attempt during the course of life. Student life at RFPS is a process to help them to create their vision by cleansing the soul. Only the enlightenment through education prepares them for success. A campus spread across vast expanse of eye-soothing greeneries. Royal Rajasthan Public School, Mount Abu, established in 2010, we are proud to declare that we are an ISO 9001 certified school affiliated to the CBSE board. From pre-primary section to standard 12, and within a short span of just 4 years, we have established ourselves as one of the premier institutes imparting quality education.
So what we are doing, we are planning each and every activity before the beginning of session, and according to that we are conducting the event. We have zero period meant for this purpose, and in which our students go in different activities like karate, football, computer, music, dance, personality development, spoken English, etc. We are also conducting special assemblies on the special occasions like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. to promote the feeling of unity, brotherhood and culture among the students. We are also having competitions every week at the 3 level, that is pre-primary, primary and secondary section.
बच्चे के सर्वांगीण विकास की ओर विशेष ध्यान दिया जाता है, जिसमें शारीरिक, बौद्धिक, आध्यात्मिक, नैतिक इन सभी चीज़ों की ओर ध्यान दिया जाता है।
We have a fully equipped science lab.
Here I gave them some project method. In this I gave them some problem that perform the experiments based on electrolysis of water. So we are having the apparatus and all that. The students are going through the problem. Their focus is on different aspects of the problem. And first of all, I emphasize them to do this in the teamwork, not as a problem, not as a burden, but as a teamwork.
A huge library. A state-of-the-art computer lab. And every class is a smart class.
Unfound element. Paddleboard. Download the found in Africa.
Have you noticed that it's because that
We have made sure the availability of highly trained, skilled and student-friendly staff.
You know, that all the three, except like reading, writing,
and speaking. We are focusing on the skills and trying to improve them day by day.
It will not be an overstatement to say that the staff is always concerned about the growth of the students.
Develop the physical fitness amongst the students, sports skill, tactical efficiency, all kind of physical factors like speed, strength, endurance, flexibility, agility. Time to time I motivate the students psychologically. So my main motive to develop or in youth to increase their fitness level or increase their emotional stability.
The management committee consists of a bunch of strong-headed and like-minded people working in close coordination and in a constant pursuit of betterment of the facilities for the student. For the safety of the students, best possible security measures are taken and being monitored by thorough professionals as a strict routine. Transport is made available to the students in the form of fleet of comfortable school buses. Presently, RRPS has dormitory hostel facilities for boys who will be groomed to be gentlemen.
I try to motivate them to live their own life of their own and know how to build up their career.
But at the core, we are a co-education school giving equal opportunities to boys as well as girls. Regular health exercises are a part of the strict regime for the student life, and medical checkups for the students are carried out regularly to ensure a healthy lifestyle. RRPS also trains teachers for the long-term goal of making good teachers available to impart better education and produce best of the students.
Royal Nassar Public School is platform for education where dream of my father and mother has become reality.
The RRPS vision is to turn the students into pillars for the society, making important decisions in the social, political and economic scenario, contributing to the all-round growth of our country, just as RRPS is contributing towards the all-round growth of the future citizens.
I want to become IAPS officer. I want to become a doctor.
My aim is to become an astronaut.
मैं बड़ा होकर पुलिस बनना चाहता हूँ.
I want to become a boxer.
I like to become bank manager.
I carry
career is football.
I am confident that one day students for this school will achieve something big and reach to their successful destiny.
I say this school is very perfect school.
We are of a strong opinion that as a parents, choosing the best school is the most precious gift you can ever give your child. Because by doing so, you give them the creative freedom, you give them courage, you give them a better education, you let your child achieve success with understanding, ease, and most importantly, peace. When it comes to education, we are simply the best. Royal Rajasthan Public School, Mount Abu, a home away from home in the lap of Mother Nature.